XR-1 GPS Remote Controller Installation and User Guide. GPS Remote Controller Money 1. Handlebar Bracket Money 1. Rear View Mirror Bracket Money 1. M6 Screw Money 1. 3M Double-Sided Adhesive Tape Money 1. Handlebar Bracket Installation. Secure the handlebar bracket to the motorcycle handlebar. Attach the GPS remote controller to the handlebar bracket using the 3M adhesive tape and make sure it is firmly secured. Rear view mirror bracket installation. Secure the rear view mirror bracket to the motorcycle mirror mount. Attach the GPS remote controller to the rear view mirror bracket using the 3M adhesive tape and make sure it is firmly secured. Connect the GPS remote controller connector to the XR-1 GPS connector. Indicator light status and button functions. During the power on self-test, the buzzer beeps once. After the indicator light flashes, the red light stays on. A flashing red light indicates that recording is in progress. Once GPS positioning is successful, the blue light stays on for 5 seconds. The left button is used to lock the current video clip. The right button is used to take a photo.